Creamy mushroom stroganoff at a restaurant feels fancy, but this version costs a fraction to make at home. This recipe comes straight from our cookbook bundle set. If you're interested, I've left you a link in the video description. Here's what you need: egg noodles, fresh mushrooms, onion, garlic, beef broth, sour cream. That's it. No complicated techniques. Start by sautéing mushrooms in butter. Let them brown slightly. Don't rush this. Add onions and garlic and cook until soft. This is what builds the depth of flavor. Pour in beef broth and let it simmer. Then stir in sour cream. This is where the sauce turns rich and creamy. This is why we use a large deep sauté pan. The higher sides give you room to stir without making a mess. If you want to see the exact tools we use, they're listed on our household guide page. Add the cooked noodles directly into the sauce. Toss until fully coated. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. This is exactly how it's laid out in our cookbook. Simple ingredients, clear instructions, meals you can repeat without searching every week. This feeds for easily. One pan, minimal cleanup, real comfort food. If you found this video helpful, grab our recipe book on Etsy and subscribe for more. Planning is what makes groceries affordable.